Investing in vices isn't for everybody. People should separate investing and their personal beliefs. I don't smoke cigarettes, but I know they're extremely profitable through good times and bad. A lot of people view the alcohol industry and the tobacco industry as practically recession-resistant, if not even recession-proof industries. Very simply, people continue to drink and smoke and engage in other habits no matter what's going on in the economy, no matter what's going on in the stock market. And many people think of these as consumer staple stocks. Now, looking at the last 10 years, the S&P 500 has averaged about 8.5% annually. The tobacco index has averaged almost 15.5% annual return. The U.S. Brewers Index, 11.5% annually. The U.S. Distillers and Vintners Index, 16.5%. Many investors, investment advisors will agree that low correlation can be important in building a portfolio. You don't want all your stocks or bonds or any investments to move in unison. Now, in recent years, the bull market has been driven by some of the largest technology stocks like Apple, Amazon, Facebook. Well, a different type of stock can have what's called a low correlation to the overall market. That means over the long term, it's not going to move in unison. If we see a technology-driven bull market continue, it's very simple that alcohol and tobacco stocks might lag. Sometimes legislative changes, tax changes can affect those types of stocks.
The number one preventable cause of death in America today, tobacco.
Certainly smoking bans continue to weigh on the tobacco industry. Everybody knows people are smoking less and less. Everybody knows the health risks, but what they don't really focus on is cigarettes are the highest profit margin consumer product. And we've seen recent studies comparing industries from New York University, for instance, showing profit margins of every industry, and you see the tobacco industry out in front for gross profit margin, net profit margin, very cash-rich companies. Many people don't realize just how many funds, the S&P 500 for instance, or their pension plan at work, contains tobacco stocks. It contains alcohol stocks. I'm not really promoting tobacco. I think it's bad for you, but I think it's a great investment.